Hi, and thanks for taking the time to learn about System 15 PVC Drain, Waste, and Vent. This product is a commercial PVC DWV plumbing product typically installed by mechanical contractors. So what exactly is System 15 DWV? What makes it different? System 15 was designed for the majority of low-rise and light commercial applications, where DWV systems don't run through air plenums. It all has to do with how fast a material burns, its flame spread rating, and the standards referred to in the National Building Code of Canada and the provincial building codes. In residential homes, regular black ABS DWV pipe is approved for use, but in commercial buildings, such as offices, condos, retail, long-term care homes, and so on, different building code requirements apply. In the National Building Code of Canada, buildings are classified as either combustible, such as wood, or non-combustible. If your customer is renovating in a non-combustible building, all the materials that will burn, and that includes plastic pipe, must have a flame spread rating equal to or less than 25. System 15 is specifically engineered to achieve a flame spread rating of 25 or less, so it is approved for use in non-combustible buildings. ABS has a flame spread rating greater than 25, so it is not approved for use in non-combustible buildings. But the use of System 15 is limited by specific building height restrictions. For buildings with offices, theaters, retail, and banks, for example, the limit is 36 meters, or about 11 stories. For condo buildings or hotels, it's 18 meters, or about 7 stories. And for care facilities, like hospitals or long-term care homes, it's just 3 stories. Generally, these are referred to as low buildings. And if it is a mixed-use building, the strictest standard applies. In taller buildings, a second standard called the Smoke Developed classification also applies. And System 15 DWV does not meet the Smoke Developed classification of equal to or less than 50, as set by the National Building Code of Canada. To be clear, System 15 DWV is not approved for use in tall buildings, air plenums or ducts, or in vertical shafts. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative, so that now, when contractors come into your store looking for DWV pipe and fittings for their non-combustible low building renovation project, you'll know exactly what they need. System 15 DWV from IPEX.